Previously I bought this, I'm going to guess that's pronounced Konnwei battery tester. This is basically a fancy digital version of one of these tools. This being the analog old school method for testing batteries. This gives you all of this and more in a much more compact package. So I hadn't actually done a review video of this yet when the good folks at Konnwei contacted me and said that they wanted me to test this out on the channel. And from what I can tell, this is basically a scan tool with the battery tester all in one unit. So they give you a nice carry case to keep it in, and that plugs into there to convert it to the battery tester. And of course this is going to plug into your OBD2 port to do normal testing. It's a full function code reader, code clearer. You got your live data, different system statuses. So it looks like it's a high quality scan tool if you're just needing to scan your codes or whatever. And then it also has the battery tests, both in-car and out-of-car testing. So you can navigate the menu. There's a black square around whatever you're choosing. So go to diagnose. No fault codes. So that's good. I have no codes. So you've got all these different things here that you can get your live data on. I'm guessing since it's not running, there's none of this data here. Anyway, so it's basically a code reader tool, and then, like I said, it also has the battery function, which we'll check next. Now I've got it hooked up to a dead battery. So we'll do out of vehicle test. It's a regular flooded battery. Cold cranking amps, and this is a 750. So this says to charge it and retest it. It's showing 10 volts. And it looks like it says 5 amps on the cold crank. I would say, just knowing that it's 10 volts, it's got a dead cell in it. Typically each cell is 2 volts. And for the in-vehicle testing, I'm going to turn the headlights on for 10 seconds and then turn them off. And this one's a 650. Good battery, 12.6. Says it's got 921 cold cranking amps. Okay, the crank test is to start the engine. It says cranking normal. A max of 11.6 volts, a minimum of 10.18. Now it wants me to do the RPMs of 2500 for 10 seconds. It says my charging system's normal. Bottom line, this is a handy little tool. It's small, portable, doesn't require batteries. It's all self-powered here. If you're into car flipping or even just out shopping for a car or have a friend stranded or whatever, this is going to take care of quite a bit. You're not going to be able to program, custom things like daytime running lights and stuff, but bang for the buck, this is going to give you quite a bit. And so I would recommend it if you're, like I said, car flipping, you're looking at a car, run your codes, you can see if they've been messing around clearing codes. You can check your alternator and your battery health right there that quickly. So check it out. I'll put a link in the description, and I will see if I can get them to do a giveaway. If they will, then I will put instructions on how to win one. And you can see they have a full lineup of different products to suit your needs. So check them out. Like I said, I've had good luck with their products thus far.